Hello and welcome to this video. Please like and subscribe our channel. In this video, I'll explain how to find the largest number among the three numbers in C language. This tutorial walks you through the process of comparing three integers and identifying the largest one using basic conditional statements. Ideal for beginners looking to understand fundamental programming concepts in C. Inside the main function, three integer variables num1, num2, and num3 are declared to store the user's input. The user is prompted to enter three numbers using printf. The scanf function reads the three numbers entered by the user. Conditional statements, if, else, are used to compare the numbers and find the largest one. We first compare num1 with num2 and num3. If it is greater than num1 and num2, then it is the largest one. If the first if condition is not satisfied, then we check num2 with num1 and num3. If it is greater than both num1 and num3, then num2 is largest number. If both if and else if condition is not met, then it simply means that our else condition is executed and num3 is the largest. The largest number is printed to the console using printf.